Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro-I, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device come. So first we can see here a lot of different paperworks, that's like the warranty letters, the quick start guides here, and sure, our Sony device, that was the first thing. Also we got here the Sony charger brick and the USB-C cable here. So here we can see all of our box accessories with which our device comes by default. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.